Throughout my experience with this course, the line that stuck to me the most is when Prof. Marta reminded us that ang DLCs ang masusunod. From the strategies up to the directions, the DLCs must become the backbone of the whole lesson plan. With this experience, I had realized how much Prof became a mentor for me. All of the revisions and comments that I had learned not to take to heart because I know that these are not criticisms to down my spirit. Rather, it is to uplift my knowledge on how to properly curate and create a lesson plan true to what's intended to be developed by the learners. This then reflects on the actual demo teaching itself. It must be strictly followed what each learning competency wants to inculcate to the learner since each strategy influences how an activity will push through, and the result of these activities will lead to a proper impartation of values aligned to the lesson. I was first introduced to this line when me and my partner Kathleen Salita was scheduled to have a consultation with Prof. Marte. Before the scheduled time, I was already assuming that there will be minimal revisions for our paper. However, due to the immaturity and lack of knowledge, everything that we initially did seemed already good to me. With that, I can say that I was very thankful for that consultation session because without it, we could have presented a demo teaching that was not meant to be conducted. Upon each conversation with Prof, more and more realization came to light. No matter how creative, new or good the activities and questions I prepared, if the essence of the lesson is not taught, then the class never really learned at all. That's why moving forward in my journey in PNU to the life that awaits to me outside, I shall always put value on the important weight that each DLC carries in order to ensure that a positive domino effect in my teaching career will be pursued.